Hey everyone, I'm Johnny Devrel from OpenxAI. We have some major news for creators and builders today. OpenxAI has built a new way for you to take your idea and launch it on-chain fast. The mini app factory is here and ready to change how you build on Base. Now you can create your own Base mini app just by chatting and mint it instantly as an NFT with no complex setup needed. Build your app in less than 5 minutes, deploy it in a tap, and you own it. Your idea, your data, your design. So this is the breakthrough feature. Mint your mini app as an NFT. Now anyone can discover, share, and trade mini apps across the whole ecosystem. And the best part, every mini app that you launch through the factory contributes to community rewards. Everyone benefits as new apps go live. The more deployments, the bigger the collective rewards for the builder network. So climb the leaderboard and compete for the $150,000 prize pool. If you're amongst the first 1,000 builders, you'll get a Genesis NFT for lifetime rewards. The mini app factory is now live. Start building, deploy your app, and create something innovative and on-chain today. Our mini app competition wraps up on December the 4th, so get your ideas in and make every deployment count. Build, deploy, and mint your mini app for collective rewards. Start building on the Base mini app factory now.